Overwhelmed by to make money online, people saying 2 to 3 hours a day to make thousands of dollars, you're going to want to like and save this video so you can come back to the information later, because I'm going to give you the top 3 things you need to know that these other creators will not tell you on this app. And the last tip is going to absolutely blow your mind. My name is Nicholas, aka Mr. Millionaire Insight. I help people establish, grow, and monetize your social media platforms and help you become more valuable, more relatable, and more consistent in your content so you can have days like this. But it's more than just days like that. It is the fact that you need to learn the skill set. The third thing that digital marketers will not tell you is that this is actually a skill. You can't just buy something and then franchise something and then turn around and talk about it and make thousands of dollars. The second thing is you actually have to have value in your post. Are you teaching someone something? Are they leaving your video or your live stream better from when they came? Are they working with real solutions that they can actually use in that particular moment? Otherwise, they're going to just keep scrolling. And finally, the biggest thing to remember: people buy people, not products and services. So when you tell people you can get something that can actually make them money, why do you think they ask you how? Because they want to know how you did it, how you were able to overcome the obstacle of confusion, which is what most people are on this app, but few people want to talk about it. Digital marketing is not a pushover industry. Actually learning the skill set of marketing takes time, and it is a process, but people refuse to talk about that. This is why I started Kingdom Digital Academy, to teach you the skill set of digital marketing. It is actually a process that you actually have to sit and learn, and it will take time. Can you do this in 2 to 3 hours a day? Maybe, if you get good at it. Can you do this and make the money that you want to make? Absolutely you can, because we're going to teach you to sell anything using social media and automations. So if you want to learn how and to actually study the ins and outs of marketing so you can do this long term and build a digital legacy you can be proud of, put ready in the comments and I'd love to share it with you. Bonus tip: you don't need 10,000 followers. You can start making with a couple hundred, but you got to get your message, your process, and your mission right.